Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I would like to share with you how to prevent macular degeneration. The macula is the most sensitive to the light central part of the retina, in other words, the center of clear eyesight. Macular degeneration can occur because of a lack of sunlight. When sunlight gets to the eyes, regeneration and restoration processes begins to work. The second cause can be a low visual activity, and eye muscle spasms can block normal blood flow to our eyes and prevent necessary nutrients for our eyes to get there. To maintain a clear vision, it's necessary to develop certain clear vision habits, such as light stretching eye exercises, active look habits. More in-depth video on my channel. Neck exercises can increase blood flow to our eyes and brain, which pick up some toxins from capillaries and clean them. It's necessary to get rid of the destructive thoughts that we have formed, and knowing this, you can easily understand that your vision can be improved. You just need to understand how our eyes work, and if you remove this spasm from the eye muscles, vision will improve. You just need to learn a little, and when you understand this, then all questions become clear and macular degeneration will not going to happen. You understand that only you can improve your vision, and then you start looking for methods and ways to do this. And the whole way to improve your vision is quite simple, and of course I recommend you that you follow this way. Subscribe to my channel for more benefits for your eyes.